welcome back to today's video. We will be testing out a Cardi B. Hi family, welcome back to today's video. Today, this is my hair full wash day and we will be testing out a Cardi B Max. We'll be making it and trying it out on my hair. So this is how my hair is looking now.
And let's see how it's gonna look after. You're doing great, baby girl. So Sonya is going to be making her own hair mask. Today I'm trying to get her into starting to learn about the natural ingredients and how great it is for our hair. Better to start them at a young age. So she is now 11 years old. I started her hair growth journey when she was 5, and for you guys who've been following our channel, you know how her hair was looking, how short it was. Now that she's 11, I'm now moving her to the next stage of her starting to help me to make her own products for her wash day routine. So are you excited? Are you ready for us to go and see all what we got together?
I'm ready.
Okay, baby. Let's go.
To make our hair mask, we have a bowl and a spatula. We also have some mayonnaise. We have an avocado.
Very ripe avocado.
And argan oil. We also have some black castor oil. And we also have some extra virgin olive oil. And since I have a lot of hair, we have 2 eggs.
2 raw eggs.
And we have honey. We also have a very ripe banana.
Yes, it is. And we will need a blender for all of those.
All of these together in this blender.
That's right. You did a great job. So what you want to start with? You want to start putting your mayonnaise into your bowl.
Okay. Now we're just going to go in with the avocado. We're going to take off the skin and cut it into bits and pieces.
About 3 pieces is fine, or 4. Doesn't have to be too tiny.
This looks so good. I just want to eat it.
Yeah, that's a really pretty looking avocado.
Okay, and now we're just going to go in with the mayonnaise. And now I'm just going to crack these 2 raw eggs.
Be careful. Nice.
Now with the second egg. Next, we're just going to go in with the raw banana. And I'm going to cut it up into pieces.
Yeah, okay.
Next, we're just going to go in with some honey. Now, I don't want my hair to be too sticky, so I'm just going to go with 1 teaspoon.
1 tablespoon. Sorry. I told you 1 teaspoon, but that's a tablespoon.
And now we're just going to save the oils for last because we already have all our ingredients. And we don't want the oils to get
into the blender?
Get into the blender.
Yeah. You want it on your hair?
On the hair, not in the blender. So we're going to blend it first, and then after we're going to put the oils in.
creamy.
Now for it to be creamy like this, you need to blend it for about 5 to 10 minutes or more. For it not to leave chunks in your hair.
Good girl. That's true. And you can show it to them. See how creamy that is?
Now that we have our ingredients blended, I'm now going to go in with the oils, 1 tablespoon of each.
Okay. You can put a little bit more. Let it fill the tablespoon.
Now we're going in with the 1 tablespoon of the extra virgin oil. Oops.
That's fine.
The more the better.
You got that right.
And now I'm going to go in with the black castor oil.
Nice.
And now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl, I'm now going to mix it. And then I'm going to separate it into 2 bowls, one for my pre-poo and one for my shampoo.
That's good. Ready to apply your hair mask to your hair?
Me?
Yes, you're going to apply it yourself. Then you'll start to appreciate me each time I want to do your hair. This is your hair mask. You know to have your hair in sections. Now you got it in sections. Take it there and start applying it to your hair.
How are you doing this to me?
For you to learn and appreciate it. Let's go. No, just apply it and make sure you open it up and apply it in sections too. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be gentle with your hair. Don't fart your hair. Don't forget to get the ends.
Okay, the ends.
And you also need to get your scalp because this treatment is very important for our scalp also. You know, our hair grows from our, your first trip. Let's go. Keep going. Still one section. That's what I put a whole shirt down for you, because I know that was going to happen.
Are you
We
doubting
mothers,
me?
right? We mothers. I don't see all your aunts got it yet. I don't see your scalp. You need to open up your hair in here like this. You see all in here? Oh, right. I just had to jump in and save the day. Make sure you always get your edges too. You all now massage it in. Give yourself a good massage. That's very good. Okay, done with this section. You want to wrap it up and put it up?
Me?
Oh yes, you. You're going to wrap it up yourself and put it up. That's a lot of me.
Why are you doing this to me?
Twist it up. Teaching you. Keep wrapping. Good. Wow. I'm really proud of you. You did an amazing job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cece got stuff all over her hands, baby.
Sit down.
Trying to open it for Cece? That's so sweet of you, sweetie.
And wait for a couple of hours after we put a plastic bag on it, and then after that, my mom's gonna wash it out and then shampoo it. If you would like to watch my full hair wash routine, my mother will leave the playlist up here. My hair looks after today's full wash hair day routine.
This is how her hair is looking after we rinse out the Cardi B hair mask from her hair. There's no product in her hair now. I'm now just going to moisturize it and go in with our homemade flaxseed gel.
If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye!
We will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.